Jodie Kelby here from Horse Hand. Today's session is going to be on connection. We've got a 4-year-old unstarted Anglo-Arab that we're working with today. And we're going to evolve a relationship. This is her 3rd session in the round yard. So as you can see, she's quite, you know, fresh and looking around and looking for a place to be. Okay. So it's my job as her leader to show her the places of safety and security is with me. Okay. Which she's showing with her life. She's showing that she's starting to trust me, which is really great. Okay. We're just getting to the stage where we are starting to trust each other a bit more intimately. You see the lowering of the head there showing me that she wants to be in a nice relaxed place. She's trying to bring herself there. There we go. There we go. That's a sign that she's ready to communicate. Lowering of the head. She's ready to communicate. She's put herself in a much safer zone. I'm just going to gently walk around. I'm just going to stay nice and close. Which is great. She hasn't really liked me to do that before. Today she's accepted that. So we're at a pretty good place now. Really important that we build this bit of this bonding here and this safe place. Because I want her to think that, or to believe that the safest place is with me. Okay, then I'm going to ask her to come walk with me. So it's horse follow me. And we want to bring this idea to the saddle. Eventually to the saddle, you know. Horse follow me, come with me, because where I am it's safe to be. And you can trust me. You're safe. Good. Nice. She's showing some interest in the lead. I like that. That's good. So now we've established a bit of rapport here, and she's in a nice place and she's happy to follow me. Now and only now can I ask her to do things. So now I'm going to ask her to take a little bit of leadership now, step it up and ask her to move off. Now I've got this eye here, I'm going to work on one eye at a time. So I've got the inside eye that I'm connected to. I'm connected to the whole horse, but I'm focused on the inside eye. Now I'm just going to ask her to come in. And a horseman's handshake. I like the horseman's handshake because it brings the horse's head down to a place where she can relax and chooses to engage their left front. So I'm going to ask her now to focus. Give me the opposite eye. Ask her to walk out. Let's give me this eye. Good. She's asking me to come back in. I'm going to allow that at this stage with the horseman's handshake. Because she's shown a lot of confidence then. She walked out, she showed a lot of calmness, a lot of confidence. I want to encourage this because this is what I want under saddle. I want a calm, confident partner. So I'll encourage that and let her come back in. Good. I'm going to send her out the same way again. Gently touch her face. Create some energy in the girth. Because the girl finds where I'll cue her to move. I don't want that eye, I want the other eye. So I'm just going to change direction. This is the eye I want. Good. And I'll let her know that this is the eye. I'm just going to let her come back in now because she corrected herself. Good girl. Well done. I'm going to ask her to walk out again with that eye. Good, lovely. She changed, I'm going to change her back. Good. I'll change her back. Good. She's looking at the other horse there, but as her leader, I want to be number one in the herd, so I need to... The ears just come on me, good. Good, and it's a big ask. So the horse outside the round yard is more important than me at the moment, so I need to step up to make myself, in her eyes, become more important. So I'm going to ask her to move. Until I become more important in her eyes. She's got her ear, her head starting to lower, she's ready to communicate. Good. Which, come in there. Good girl. So what we've always got to remember when we're with our horses is that we need to be important to them, and how do we become important to our horses? We give them respect, and we in return ask for the same respect. I'm going to ask her to follow me with this eye. She can't do that. She needs to trot out, but that's okay. When she's ready, she'll come in. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. We need to give her as much space as she needs to emotionally adapt to the situation. I'm just going to ask her to follow me again. Good. Good girl. Good. Horseman's handshake. Good girl. Just to bring her energy back down, to bring her back down to where she's calm, emotionally balanced. I'm just going to let her know I'm going to walk behind her so nice and close. Good girl. Good. Nice for her facing this side. Yes, good. Good girl. Really happy with her today. It's a very windy day. Being only her third session, she's showing a lot of focus on me, which is great. Now we're going to see if we can ask her to go out at the canter and come back in. So I've got her face, I've locked this eye here. So good. She corrected herself that time. Last time I had to make a dash across there to cut her off, and this time I just had to suggest that so I reward her for that. That's the end of the lesson. See, sometimes we want to go on we've got this idea of what we want to do, you know, you want the horse to canter a whole circle. But then sometimes I'll do something that shows a real depth of understanding, and when they show you that, reward that. Forget about what the other idea was, just take that one moment and go, yeah, that's good. And reward your horse for that. And so my plan was to send her out. But last time I sent her out, I lost her eye, she went the other way and I had to harshly correct her. This time I sent her out, she went to choose to leave, and then I just subtly stepped forward, she changed, she came back to me. So that alone is just a massive for a horse. Massive for me, I think it's great. Alright, so I'm going to send her out again. And you notice that I don't always stay in the circle because it's not about the structure of the round yard, it's about me and her. So if I want to dance with her here, I'll dance with her here. If I want to dance with her over there, I'll dance with her over there, because it's about me and her. This is about relationship. This is about connection. Okay, so I'm going to thin her out around me. I'm going to put a subtle energy at the girl. I'm going to lead the face. Now she doesn't want to leave me. That's good. I like that. Now I'm going to have to encourage her. Thank you. Head lower, beautiful. All the signs of understanding, communication, cooperation. There's a little trick there that she does to put me on the other side. So I'll just bring her back this way. And I'll just gently sneak in here, block this eye, send her out again. I'm going to keep this eye blocked, then I'm going to call her back. Beautiful. With this eye here, then I'm going to send her out with a bit more energy. Then I'm going to canter. Up, up, beautiful, good. And we're going to ask her to come back in. Good girl, beautiful. So what are we establishing? We're establishing a deep understanding of each other. So the